Hello everyone, and I hope you guys are doing wonderfully great, and welcome to this channel. Today I want to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can get started in Ordinals and BRC20. I have had a lot of people ask me how do I get started, and I've decided to make this video so that to benefit everyone that are interested in getting started in the Ordinal space or in the BRC20 space, in fact in the Bitcoin ecosystem space in general. So what are Ordinals? Let's start from Ordinals. Ordinals are the unique form of digital assets that are stored on the Bitcoin blockchain, and they are also called non-fungible token NFTs on Bitcoin. You know, in 2021 we saw a surge in NFTs market on Ethereum ERC721 standard, and the truth about this is that it's not even on chain. You get? So in 2023 January to be precise, a developer, Cassie Rodamo, took this opportunity and he released the Bitcoin Ordinals protocol. And since then, it has been doing wonderful. This protocol allows you to inscribe your digital materials such as artwork, animations, music, and videos and other things on the Bitcoin Satoshis. And Satoshis are the smallest unit of Bitcoin. So it gives you the opportunity to actually inscribe all this on chain. And ever since then, there has been a very massive surge on the Ordinal space. So much noise, everybody's talking about it, and people want to know what is Ordinal, what is Bitcoin NFTs, and this is just the beginning. So let me show you how step-by-step guide how you can get started. The first way to get started is to get a Taproot wallet. You don't just use any wallet, MetaMask or any other wallet. It has to be a Taproot wallet. And the most famous one that we already have here, we have Unisat. That is what I just opened. So you go to unisat.io. This is the site. You go to unisat.io, and we also have here Xverse. Unisat and Xverse are one of the most popular wallets for. So you come here at unisat.io, go to wallet, and you scroll down, you see download from Chrome Store or download from GitHub. So just click on download from Chrome Store, and it's coming up. Can you see add to Chrome? You add to Chrome, add extension. Okay. Once this is done, you can see the extension has been added. If you already have a wallet, you can import. Since this is just for newbies and you're just getting started in Ordinal space, I assume you don't have a Taproot wallet yet. So you click on create new wallet, then put your password. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna use any password. I'm gonna use the 1 2 3 4. Let me just use it. I'm just number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this is the next phase. Once you get here, you have your recovery phase. For those of us that doesn't know what this recovery phase is, if it's like your passcode to your money, to your wallet. So if you lose this recovery phrase, you won't have access to your money. So make sure you don't lose it. So can you see here, this phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. Do not share it with anyone for security reasons. Anyone that has this phrase can have access to your money. So it's a private thing, and you have to keep it very, very private. Make sure you save it very well. So, and let's say, okay, you have to copy it out. Okay, now you've copied it out. You click on I saved my recovery phrase. So once this is done, make sure you have this well saved. So once it is done, you click on continue. Then you select your Taproot wallet. This is Taproot. Select your Taproot here, and you click on continue. Okay, here you say please be aware that for Ordinals asset cross inscriptions and rare site are not supported. The atomical asset are not supported. Also, just click on it. Okay. So finally, you have created your first Taproot wallet. Congratulations. So mind you, this is just a test wallet. I'm not going to use this for anything. So if you want to send your BTC to this address, this is your wallet address. Can you see this address here is your wallet address? So there's no BTC here. This is just 0.0 BTC. So for you to send your BTC here, you copy this address and send it send the BTC here. When you copy this address, you go to either your centralized exchange and buy some Bitcoin and withdraw it and put this here, and make sure you select Bitcoin chain, and this your BTC will be sent directly to this wallet. And you don't send anything that is not BTC in this wallet, it do not accept it. So also this is for Unisat wallet. Then let's go for XVAS wallet. Go to xvas.app and you click on download. Same thing here, you download it, download Chrome, download the Chrome, add Chrome, add extension. I use the both wallets because there's some place I want to buy some stuff that the XVAS is not supported, and I have it. I use my Unisat, and sometimes I like the XVAS interface. So depending on choice, some people say that they prefer the Unisat, but they are all Taproot wallets. So as you can see, I have my XVAS. You can click here and pin them down so that you can always see them. So I have my XVAS here and I have my Taproot wallet here. So the same process while installing your Unisat wallet, you save your phrase and all the stuff. That's what is the same process here. But in XVAS wallet, you see the create wallet. I am just want to show you the interface. Back up now. Sure. Once you've saved this, just click on continue, and here it will ask you to confirm you've recorded the seed phrase. Select the fourth word of the seed phrase. Then the fourth word we had here is stand, and the 12th word we have here, I think, is train. Okay, the second word we have here is unhappy. Good. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, it's telling me. Let me just write something. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and at. Oh, it's telling me 2 weeks. Okay. Okay. What did I write here? Okay, 1 2 3 4 arts. See, I don't even know what I write here. 1 2 3 4. Very good. I think I'm good to go now. Correct. Can you see? Let me show you the interface here. Okay, fine. We've created our XVAS wallet. So this is your XVAS. This is your wallet. So when you want to receive BTC, you click on BTC and you can see receive. That's want to send BTC to this address for you to start buying. You copy address. You see, you use this address to receive Bitcoin payments only. Do not use this address to receive Ordinals or BRC20 tokens. You understand? But you see, you send BTC and now purchase. I'll show you how you can purchase your Ordinals. Then if you want to send your Ordinals here, okay, when you click that ordinal, let's say we have an ordinal here, we have purchased 1 or 2 ordinals, it will appear here. When you click it, you now get the address of that particular ordinal. Okay, so and that is it for XVAS wallet. So let's go ahead and go to Unisat wallet. Okay, we are you can, when we go to inscribe here, inscribe is when you want to, let's say you want to inscribe anything in the ordinal system or BRC20. This is where you can inscribe them. Then we'll have BRC20. These are the list of BRC20s that I've inscribed. Let's say I think these bits this sat, it took about 6 months, about 6 months to get up to 100%. Let's say you're able to get it when they are still inscribing, like this Dodge is just 0.09. Okay, you can come here. I'm just want to show you how you can inscribe. Come to inscribe here, BRC20, click on BRC20, click the name on SAT amount you want to inscribe. Let's say you want to inscribe 1 million of it or 100,000 of it. You click on next, And once you click on that, I don't have any, you have to connect your wallet first. Anything you have to do, you connect your wallet. Can you see all the wallets that are supported so far? But the first that came out is this Unisat and XVerse. So now we have Ladder, we have OKX, we have BitJet, we have Phantom, we have Magic Eden. So click on this, and Unisat is not installed. It's installed, but there's no money in it. But that's how to inscribe. Okay, then if you want the marketplace, you come here, you can see Ordinals. You can buy Ordinals here. You see node monkeys, you see the volume, you see the floor price. Two of these is listed for 0.49 BTC. That's a whole lot. That's $25,000. So we have Flip Frog. This is $51 so far. So this is the Ordinals. You can actually come here and click on anyone and purchase it from here. Look at the prices and click on buy, and it directs you to your wallet, and you sign in, and everything goes together. So if you want to buy BRC20, you can come to this marketplace, or go to BRC20 here, and you can see you have Audi. Let's say you want to buy Audi or any of the ones you want to buy. You see it here. You can actually still search it also. You can search, let's say you want to buy SATs. You can search, you see SAT here. So when you click on it, you see, so you can see here this guy is selling 800 million SAT for $373.99. So if you want to get, once your wallet is connected, you click on buy and you sign in all the transactions, and you have this in your wallet. So you see this guy is selling 1, 2, 3, 10 billion of it for 4,007. So this you can buy. Can come here, click search for any of the BRC20 token here. I can see this is Audi. This guy is selling 15 Audi for $962. So that's how you buy your BRC20. And when you've bought, let's say you want to list it or you want to sell, because I've not connected my wallet over. If you click on my BRC20 here, you'll see the BRC20 that you have. You can now list it for sale if you want to sell also. So that is it. And you can Magic Eden is another place where you can buy your Ordinals. Here we have magiceden.io, so make sure you are in the right website. Okay, so you connect your wallet. Magic Eden has their own wallet now. You can create Magic Eden wallet, or you can also use Unisat wallet. I actually normally use Unisat wallet for this, but since they created their wallet, it's like there's going to be some incentive for using their wallet, so I just got one of the wallet. So you can get a wallet and you start buying your Ordinals. You can buy, look at node monkeys here. The floor is 0.369 Bitcoin. So Quantum Cat is at 0.2. Bitcoin Frog has been making waves. You can see, let's see what's happening here. So you can just click on anyone you want, or you can search here and just buy. Okay, you can just click here and just buy. So that is it, and on how you can get started in Ordinal wallet. And okay, I want to show you one other thing here also. I normally use it on another tool, Jenny Data. Okay, here you can okay, just click on Ordinals. So once you click on Ordinals, just connect your wallet, and also wallet is connected. I love this because it can give you a map of what is going on the inscription and how far. Look at this. Okay, this Hoo, someone is inscribing it in BRC20, but Hoo is a Merlin chain. It's the first token on Merlin chain. I've talked about it in my last video. So, this is all these tokens are BRC20 tokens. You can see Labs just minted 100%. Hoo, you can see number of mint and number of holders. Dodge has a whole number of holders. We have over 7,000 holders, and it's just 0.08% minted so far. So you can hear. So sometimes I love coming here. You can see what is trending on what people are trending. Maybe I have a something that everybody wants to mint. I'll know. I do a little research on that and know why is this, why is people minting this. Wow, the gas fee today is at 9 sats/BB. That is quite low. It has not come this low for a very long time. Okay, that's just it. That is it. So I use this also, and you can use it to also track your portfolio. You can place your wallet here. You see all your assets that you have here. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.